Welcome to TIQ's summary of Google Marketing Livestream 2021. My name is Amit Sharma, and I have my colleagues Mohit Rana and Ashish Narula with me today to discuss about Google's newly announced products and latest trends and insights. They have prioritized three key areas: privacy, measurement, and automation. Our team members will discuss individually about each of these three areas. In the first session, Building for Future of Marketing by Mr. Jerry, VP, GM Ads, Google announced their product revamps for Insights page that was launched globally in 2021. It gives custom insights according to the nature of your business. The second product revamp was Curbside Pickup for local inventory ads and local service bookings on neighborhood itself. They are claiming to have improved it drastically. And the big news is Performance Max campaign beta is launched today. It will be a single place to buy all ads, including YouTube, display, search, discover, Gmail, and maps. Creation and management would become much easier. They claim to provide the best performance for your goals, and also it will help insights and automation to become more transparent. He also mentioned that this era is the third biggest transformation of how we use digital internet. First one was broadband, second was mobile, and the third was pandemic. So now after this, in this era, privacy is now becoming their top priority. They are saying that they will not use health risk data, religion or sexual orientation, and also files stored in your drive will also be not used for targeting of ads. As around 81% people think that the risk of sharing the data on these free apps outweighs the benefits that these apps gives. So they have announced one key announcement that once the third-party cookies are phased out, Google will not build any alternative identifiers to track individuals, as this is not what the users want. He also mentioned that Google Chrome's privacy sandbox will be launched, and in that anyone can submit proposals and run experiments. There will be APIs for measurement of the ad analytics and the performance. So they emphasize that the focus on video marketing and automation to reach the correct audience would continue to evolve. Now, this is a new era which is focused on privacy and first party data. Let's see how it shapes the marketing of ad campaigns. I would like to welcome Ashish to speak about ad buying, analytics, and measurement.
Thank you, Amit. So, in the second session, insights given by Ms. Vidya Srinivasan, who is VP GM Ads Buying Analytics and Measurement in the Google. She gives an overview for measurement. So, first of all, you need to understand the consumer behavior, because in today's privacy environment, users expect more control over their data is used and collected. And every industry is changing, and right now is the time to do hard work of preserving the future of measurement. And she also gives an insight of key steps which help sets you up for the future marketing. So like build your management strategy on first party data, enable users to make choices about their data, and finally keep reporting actionable, fill in the gaps with molded data. And to start your measurement strategy needs a clear plan for collecting and using first party data. Those direct relationship with your customers should be the basis for your marketing. This all starts with the foundation of site-wide tagging that gives you the data you need to deliver privacy safe measurement. And one key announcement made by Google. So Google is introducing new way to measure conversion even when cookies are not available, which is enhanced conversion measurement. This gives you more complete view how your ads are performing on Google Media. It also improves conversion modeling. So while creating ads on Google Media, keep in mind for measurement insights from first-party data, which can also help you build a more future-proof audience strategy. Also, customers match can view you deliver relevant experiences and deeper new relationships with your customers. And like at last, advertisers of all sizes can reach audience through personalized as well as privacy safe ads. So now let's move to the automation part. Mohit will explain and discuss about the insights on automation.
Yeah, thanks, Ashish. On the topic of automation, Mr. Darshan, VP Product Management at Google, started off his part emphasizing that automation is the best way possible moving forward in 2021 for a business to achieve maximum potential as quickly and as efficiently as possible. He elaborated on the three critical automation benefits, which are performance, opportunities, and control. For automation in performance, he talks about how automation is already driving results by showcasing deep understanding value. While quickly skimming through the three techniques, which were responsive ads, broad match, and smart bidding, he tried to explain them in simpler terms. To sum it up for our audience at TIQ, he basically mentioned that responsive ads combine creativity with Google machine learning to produce relevant value ads. Broad Match helps businesses find high performing queries and emerging trends. Smart bidding helps optimizing bids in real time to hit performance goals. Few other important announcements he shared were the introduction of the Insights page globally, image and video extensions for ads to enhance conversions, and really how businesses can trust automation in their growth journey. Lastly, he concluded by attempting to answer the age old question of delivering the right ad to the right person at the right time, which businesses can now do with the combination of creativity and the power of Google machine learning. Now, handing over back to Amit for concluding remarks.
Yeah, thank you, Mohit. And I believe this is the first part of the updates from Google Marketing Livestream. And I'm sure these beta rollouts and the Insights page and the curbside pickup will keep on growing. And I would like to request all the viewers to stay tuned for more live updates and like and subscribe to our channel, TIQ Digital, for getting all the latest information about what's happening in the digital marketing space. Thank you all.